on the edge of a shimmering pond, where the lily pads floated like tiny green boats, lived two best friends, Dilly, a cheerful yellow duck, and Freddy, a bouncy green frog. Dilly loved to paddle across the water, while Freddy enjoyed hopping from rock to rock. Even though they were different, they played together every day. One warm morning, Dilly quacked excitedly, "Let's explore the other side of the pond today." Freddy's big eyes widened. "I've never been there before. Let's go!" They set off, with Dilly swimming and Freddy leaping across lily pads. But halfway across, Freddy stopped.
Uh-oh, he croaked. The lily pads are too far apart. I can't jump that far.
Dilly thought for a moment and smiled. "Hop on my back, I'll swim us across." Freddy hesitated, then carefully climbed onto Dilly's back. With strong paddles, Dilly swam across the pond while Freddy held on tight. When they reached the other side, Freddy jumped off and laughed. "That was fun! Now it's my turn to help you." He led Dilly through the tall grass until they reached a small slippery hill. "This is my favorite slide," Freddy grinned. Dilly waddled up the hill, but her webbed feet couldn't grip the slippery surface. "Hold on," Freddy said. He pushed a big leaf over the ground. "Sit on this!" Dilly sat on the leaf, and with a little push from Freddy, whoosh, she slid down, giggling all the way. "That was amazing!" Dilly quacked. Freddy smiled. "See? Friends help each other."